Welcome back to Virginia City Middle School. My name is Jocelyn. I'm in the leadership class. We wanted to make videos this year introducing the teachers to the new students and the 6th grade class. So first we have the amazing principal, Mr. Judy.
All right, thank you, Jocelyn. Welcome everyone watching this to the 2020-2021 Virginia City Middle School Virtual Open House. We're not going to be able to meet all together in person, but I figured this was a good chance for all new students, whether you're new to the district or you're a rising 6th grader from Gallagher or Hillside coming up, to just see your teachers' faces, or I guess at least look in the whites of their eyes, get a quick introduction, and have a sense of what you're looking forward to this school year. We're very excited to have you all here, and even though the circumstances are a bit unusual, we're really thrilled to get back into the building and to start learning and working with you guys again. We really just can't. Have been looking forward to Monday for a long time, can't wait. A couple things that you guys should really be aware of, changes for those of you who have been here before, and rules that are somewhat different than you might be accustomed to at other schools. The big ones surrounding eating. In order to safely eat, there's a couple things that we have. The first thing is all drinking fountains are shut down, so it'd be really great if your student could bring a bottle of water with them. Refillable water bottle would be great. We do have some bottles of water here that we will be able to distribute out at times, but if they come with water to start with, they'll definitely last quite a bit longer. The other thing is if they are bringing lunch, make sure that you bring cold lunch. We do not have any microwaves accessible for outside food. We will still be selling individually wrapped food that students can buy at nutrition break in order to eat at lunch, but anything that they bring from home, please make sure that it's cold lunch that doesn't need to be heated up. We also will not be using lockers right now this year, so please make sure that everything you bring will fit together in your backpack, okay? We're also not doing a lot of shared items, so if it's possible for your student to bring some Kleenex, it'll probably come in handy. It's much easier to get your own Kleenex out of your bag than to get Kleenex from class now. It's also, if they have their own little thing of hand sanitizer or anything like that, could come in, really handy for them. We will have everything we need to make sure that kids are safe, staying clean, washing their hands, hand sanitizer, all that good stuff, but anything that they can fit in their backpacks and bring with them, they'll probably be happier to have it with them. Okay, that being said, without much further ado, let's get to our fantastic teachers and counselor. Thank you.
Next we have Miss Bush, who teaches Spanish as well as 6th grade English.
Hello, my name is Barb Bush. I am going to be teaching 6th grade English and Social Studies. We will be using Edgenuity in the classroom as well as writing assignments and so on that we do here. I'm extremely excited about the new year. I'm happy to think about seeing students again and being able to have that conversation. Email me with any questions you might have, and see you in the fall.
Next we have Miss Pickett, who teaches Gifted and Talented.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Pickett, and I will be teaching robotics and working with our students on IEPs this year. I'm super excited to see everybody on Monday, and we're going to have a great year. See you Monday!
Next is Miss Reimer, the counselor.
Hi, this is Mrs. Reimer, and I'm your school counselor. Welcome to Virginia City Middle School. I wanted to let you know my new office area is in the library, and I am here for you and your students, emotional support, career planning, any kind of social needs that you may have. So really, I'm your go-to person. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope we'll have a great year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Natalie Kelly. I'm attending 8th grade this year, and I'm in the yearbook and leadership class, and I'm just going to be introducing a few teachers. So my first teacher is Mr. Punchard. He is the 6th grade science teacher, 8th grade algebra teacher, and leadership and yearbook teacher. So there's Mr. Punchard.
Hi, I'm Gary Pritchard. I am the algebra teacher for the 8th grade and also science for 6th. And I also teach leadership and yearbook for the elective. And I am really excited that we're finally back. Can't wait to have a good school year with your children and with you kids. Here we go.
Next we have Miss Robertson, our 6th and 7th grade math teacher. Miss Robertson.
Hi there, I'm Miss Robertson, and I am going to be teaching 6th and 7th grade math classes this year, along with some elective classes. I look forward to seeing you in class and having a great year.
Next we have Mr. Freitas, our PE teacher, but PE will only be online this year. So here's Mr. Freitas.
Hi, I'm Mr. Freitas, and I am the physical education and Spanish 1 instructor for Virginia City Middle School. I am looking forward to seeing all of our 7th and 8th graders coming back this year, and really looking forward to meeting our new 6th graders that are going to be attending. Physical education is going to look a lot different this year than it has in the past. Unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we will not be having in-person classes this year, and our gym will be closed. With that being said, it does not mean that we will not have physical education. Your students on their distance learning days will be doing some physical education, and that's going to be through Edgenuity, which is a new distance program that we have acquired for this year. Physical fitness is more important than ever for our students and families during this unprecedented time in our lives. Exercise has been shown to improve your mood, decrease feelings of anxiety and depression. It promotes better sleep, it boosts energy and weight control, and it helps combat health conditions and diseases. It's for these reasons that I'm inviting all my parents and guardians to participate along with their students. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me at the school, and I look forward to reaching out to each and every one of you in the future here and getting to know you. Thank you very much.
This is Miss Eddie. She is a music teacher and she does funny warm-ups.
Hello VCMS families, welcome back. I'd like to extend a special welcome to our music families, our seasoned and returning musicians to band and choir, and our new families to band and choir. My name is Amanda Eddy, and I look forward to working with each of you either with an instrument or through singing this year. I hope that all of you are excited to embark upon this journey that we'll be taking through hybrid and distance learning. Our setup for band and choir is unique in that we will actually have both distance and in-person lessons taking place, and our software program will be a little different than what the rest of the school is using. I am able to work through 2 partner programs called Breezing Through Theory, as well as NoteFlight, to facilitate our hybrid and distance lessons. I would like to know from you, if you are a new band family, what instrument you are interested in learning, as we can still explore any of the traditional band instruments or string instruments this year, as well as percussion or piano. And I need to know what you're interested in and how I can tailor that this year for your learning. And choir students, I hope you're excited to explore a whole new realm of learning to sing in our current environment. So please do contact me, or you can contact Mr. Judy for questions and thoughts that you have about joining music this year, and I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Some of you I'll see on Tuesday for band, and some of you I'll see on Thursday for choir. And once we get next week underway, we'll actually be meeting on opposite days. If you are in person, I'll still see you for distance the day that you're not at school, and if you are fully distanced, you'll be able to stay with our classes at a different time, either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, Thursday. But please do reach out with all of your questions, all of your thoughts, and I look forward to heading out on this amazing journey with all of you.
This is Miss Garrett. She is the science teacher and she is new.
Hey VCMS parents, my name is Danielle Garrett and I'll be taking over for Jen Wilden this year in science. Just a few notes. We will be working with Edgenuity both online and in person this year and supplementing with labs and activities whenever possible, and of course adhering to COVID guidelines. Be on the lookout for my syllabus and the science safety contract that will need to be signed. I'm looking forward to working with your students at VCMS. Thank you.
This is Mr. Scott. He is a social studies teacher and he likes to make funny impressions over the intercom.
Hi, I'm Mr. Scott. I'm the social studies teacher here at Virginia City Middle School. This is my 17th year teaching at Virginia City Middle School. This year I'll be teaching 8th grade U.S. History and 7th grade U.S. History. The curriculum will be a combination of class activities when the students are here at school and using the Edgenuity online platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or send me an email. I look forward to having a great year with you. Thank you.
This is Miss Swafford. She is the ELA teacher and she wears big glasses.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Swafford. I will be teaching you 7th and 8th grade ELA this year, and I will be over at lunch helping out in the snack cart as well. I look so forward to be back in school with all of you. We'll have a great year. See you soon.